Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this in Blender, based on the concept by Cam Kendell. We will cover modeling, line art, texturing, and compositing. Let's begin with the modeling. First, add your reference image. Adjust the opacity and delete the default cube. Add a plane and scale it to match the base of the cube. Press W and subdivide the plane. Set the number of cuts to 3. Press O to activate proportional editing and continue adjusting the shape of the base. Move and rotate the plane to match the position on the reference. Extrude the base and press Ctrl R to add more edge loops. To make the eyes at a cube, I use a subdivision modifier. To make the mouth, press I to insert the faces. To model the twig, start by adding a single vertex. In edit mode, extrude it to follow the shape of the reference image. To give the twig a solid form, use the skin modifier. To create the line art, select the cube edges. Duplicate the selection and press P to separate it from the cube. Then divide the duplicated edges into different strokes, as shown in the reference image. Then go to the Object menu, select Convert, and choose Grease Pencil. To tweak and adjust the strokes, add the length and thickness modifiers. To create a pen stroke effect, enable the custom curve option and adjust the points to modify the stroke shape. For the hand strokes, go to Add menu, select Grease Pencil and choose Blank. Switch to Draw mode, set the stroke placement to Surface and adjust the stroke offset to 0.03. Before texturing, we need to unwrap the object. Select the edges where you want to place seams, press U and choose Mark Seam. Once all seams are placed, press U again and choose Unwrap. To texture our objects, we will use the Yuku Paint add-on, which uses a layer-based system similar to Substance Painter. To activate it, open Design menu, select the Yuku Paint tab and choose Quick Paint Node Setup. For this project, we will only use the color channel. In the shader editor, connect the Yuku Paint node directly to the material output, sample the base color for each object, and repeat the process for all other objects. To add a new layer, press the plus button, choose solid color with image mask, set the layer size, and press OK. The final render consists of 4 different render layers, a diffuse and a grease pencil layer for the cube, and a diffuse and a grease pencil layer for the twig. To blend these render layers, we will use a compositor. To import the 4 render layers, press Shift-A, select Input, and choose Image Sequence. The first 2 layers we will blend are the Twig's diffuse and grease pencil layers. To blend it, we will use the alpha over node. Use the factor slider to adjust it. Then duplicate the alpha over node to blend the previous result with the cube's diffuse layer, creating the translucency effect. Use the factor slider to adjust the level of translucency. To complete the composition, use the alpha over node to blend the previous result with the cube's grease pencil render layer. Use the factor slider to adjust it. And that's it. Thank you for liking and subscribe, and see you in the next one.